Welcome friends to our complete A1 speaking course series. So today's video is all about your daily routine. Okay. So how to speak about your daily routine in your A1 speaking module that we are going to see here. I will share one screen with you. So this is our part 5 from our speaking series. Okay. Not from the exam. From our series, Even Speaking, this is part 5. And we are going to see here now. Now, daily routine is called as Tagesablauf. Okay. So, this is also very important section from our Goethe speaking module because you will have to speak in front of the examiner about your daily routine. So these are few key phrases. Just memorize these and speak with reference to these key phrases in your exam. The first one is Ich stehe 7 Uhr auf. Okay, meaning I wake up at 7 o'clock. Correct? Ich frühstücke 8 Uhr. I have my breakfast at 8 o'clock. Ich arbeite von 9 bis 5. I work from 9 to 5. Just one thing, there is one A1 writing complete course series also on my channel. And if you are new to my channel and preparing for Goethe A1, do subscribe to my channel. Now next phrase we'll see. Am Abend sehe ich Fan. In the evening, I watch TV. Fernseher. The short form of Fernseher is Fern, TV, television. Ich gehe 22 Uhr ins Bett. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Okay? 22 Uhr. So these are the key phrases about your daily routine. I have just given as a sample. So you can make your own sentences with reference to these phrases and speak confidently in your A1 speaking module. So that's all for today, friends. See you in next video. Thank you and bye-bye.